Hello and welcome to Practice English Daily. My name is Jessica.
And I'm Eric. We are so happy you are here to learn English with us today.
That's right. Our channel is for beginner English learners who want to practice every day. We talk slowly and clearly to help you understand.
Today we have a very important topic. It's a topic you can use every single day. We are going to talk about your daily routine.
A daily routine is what you do every day, from morning to night. We will teach you simple words and phrases to talk about your day. This is a great way to practice the simple present tense.
And we want you to practice with us. Our method is listen, then discuss, then listen again. It's a very effective way to learn.
Exactly. Before we start, if you like our podcast, please take a moment to click like or subscribe. It helps other English learners find us.
Thank you so much. Okay, Jessica, are you ready to talk about our daily routines?
I am ready. Let's start with the most important part of the day, the morning.
The morning. It's the start of the day. The first thing we do is wake up.
That's our first key phrase, to wake up. Wake up is when your eyes open and you stop sleeping. For example, my alarm clock rings and I wake up.
Good example. Now, there is another phrase that is very similar, to get up. To get up means to get out of your bed. They are a little different.
That's a great point, Eric. Let's explain. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. My eyes are open, but I stay in bed. I am warm and sleepy.
Me too. I like to check my phone in bed. Then, at 6:45 a.m., I get up. I put my feet on the floor and stand up. So, you wake up first, then you get up.
Perfect. Let's give our listeners a small dialogue to hear these phrases. Eric, I will ask you a question.
Okay, I'm ready.
Listen carefully, everyone. Eric, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
And when do you get up?
I get up about 10 minutes later, at 7:10 a.m.
Okay, did you hear that? We used wake up and get up.
In the dialogue, I said I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Usually means it's what I do most days. Maybe on Sunday I wake up at 9 a.m., but Monday to Friday, I usually wake up at 7.
That's a very useful word. I also said about 10 minutes later. About means around or not exactly. Maybe it's 8 minutes, maybe it's 12 minutes. It's about 10 minutes.
You are doing great, listeners. Let's listen to that short dialogue one more time. Try to hear the words wake up, get up, and usually.
Eric, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
And when do you get up?
I get up about 10 minutes later, at 7:10 a.m.
Good job. So, after you get up, what's next? For me, I go to the bathroom.
Me too. This is where we have more morning routine phrases. The first one for me is brush my teeth. I use a toothbrush and toothpaste to clean my teeth. I brush my teeth every morning.
And every night, I hope.
Yes, every night too. Another phrase is wash my face. I use water and soap to clean my face. It helps me feel awake. So I wash my face.
Those are two very important actions. After I wash my face, I get dressed. This means I put on my clothes for the day. For example, I put on a shirt and pants. I get dressed.
Let's put those together in simple sentences. First, I get up. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. After that, I get dressed.
That was a perfect summary, Eric. Using words like first, then, and after that helps connect your ideas. It makes your speaking sound very natural.
Okay, we are awake, clean, and dressed. I think I'm hungry now.
Me too. It's time for breakfast. Our next phrase is to have breakfast or to eat breakfast. Both are correct.
For example, I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. or I eat breakfast with my family.
It means the same thing. Sometimes you need to make breakfast. Make means to prepare or cook the food. I make breakfast for my son. I make him eggs.
That's nice of you. I don't cook a big breakfast. My breakfast is very simple. I just have a banana and a cup of coffee. I drink coffee every morning. I need it.
Many people need their coffee. Okay, let's do another short dialogue for our listeners. This one is about breakfast.
Let's do it. Do you have breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. I usually make a smoothie. What about you?
I just have toast and coffee. I don't have much time in the morning.
That sounds like a quick and easy breakfast.
Okay, let's discuss. I asked Jessica, do you have breakfast every day?
And I answered, yes, I do. Then I said what I have. I make a smoothie. I then asked, what about you? This is a fantastic and easy phrase. It means, and you, tell me your answer to the same question. It's very polite and friendly.
It is. It keeps the conversation going. I replied that I have toast and coffee. I also said, I don't have much time. This is a good reason for a simple breakfast.
You are learning so much today. Let's listen to that breakfast dialogue one more time.
Do you have breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. I usually make a smoothie. What about you?
I just have toast and coffee. I don't have much time in the morning.
That sounds like a quick and easy breakfast.
Excellent work, everyone. That's a very complete morning routine. You wake up, you get up, you brush your teeth, wash your face, get dressed, and have breakfast.
You are now ready to tell anyone about your morning in English. Great job!
After the morning comes the afternoon. This is the middle part of the day. For many people, the afternoon routine involves work or school.
That's right. Our next phrase is go to work or go to school. This is about traveling from your home to your job or your classes.
There are many ways to go to work. For example, I take the bus to work. I drive my car to work. I walk to work. I take the train to school.
How do you go to work, Eric?
I am lucky. I work from home, so I don't go to work. I just walk to my desk.
That's a very short trip. I take the subway to work. After I arrive, I start work. That's our next phrase, to start work.
You can say, I start work at 9 a.m. Or for students, I start school at 8:30 a.m.
Many people work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We call this a 9 to 5 job. My workday is from 9 to 5.
In the middle of the workday, everyone gets hungry again. It's time for lunch. Just like breakfast, we can say have lunch or eat lunch.
For example, I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. or the students eat lunch in the cafeteria. It's the same pattern. Have breakfast, have lunch. See?
English can be easy. It's also important to take a break. A break is a short time when you stop working. You can relax, eat, or talk with friends. I take a break for 1 hour for lunch.
My lunch break is only 30 minutes. It's short. I usually eat a sandwich for lunch. It's quick.
Let's do a very quick dialogue for the afternoon.
What time do you usually have lunch?
I take a break around 1 p.m. and eat lunch then.
What do you do on your break?
I often read a book or listen to music.
This one is simple. We used have lunch, eat lunch, and take a break.
We also use the word around. Remember? It means about or not exactly. I have lunch around 1 p.m. It could be 12:55 or 1:05.
Great point. Okay, let's listen to it one more time. What time do you usually have lunch?
I take a break around 1 p.m. and eat lunch then.
What do you do on your break?
I often read a book or listen to music.
This one is simple. We used have lunch, eat lunch, and take a break.
We also use the word around. Remember? It means about or not exactly. I have lunch around 1 p.m. It could be 12:55 or 1:05.
Great point. Okay, let's listen to it one more time. What time do you usually have lunch?
I take a break around 1 p.m. and eat lunch then.
What do you do on your break?
I often read a book or listen to music.
This one is simple. We used have lunch, eat lunch, and take a break.
We also use the word around. Remember? It means about or not exactly. I have lunch around 1 p.m. it could be 12:55 or 1:05.
Great point. Okay, let's listen to it one more time. What time do you usually have lunch?
I take a break around 1 p.m. and eat lunch then.
What do you do on your break?
I often read a book or listen to music.
You are doing so well. We have talked about the morning and the afternoon. Now let's talk about the last part of the day.
It is now the evening. The workday is over. The first thing most people do is finish work.
I finish work at 5 p.m. This means I stop working for the day. After I finish work, I feel relaxed.
After you finish work, you go home. Just like going to work, you can say, I take the bus home. I drive home. I walk home.
When I am home, I like to relax for a little bit. Then it's time for dinner. Dinner is the last big meal of the day, and the phrases are the same again.
That's right. You can say have dinner or eat dinner. You can also make dinner or cook dinner.
My wife and I cook dinner together. It's fun. We have dinner at 7 p.m. We often have rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy and delicious. My family and I eat dinner together too. We talk about our day. It's a very important time for us.
After dinner, what do you do to relax? This is the best part of the evening routine.
I agree. There are many things you can do. For example, you can watch TV. I like to watch a movie or a show.
I like to read a book. It's quiet and relaxing. Sometimes I listen to music.
Those are great evening activities. You can also check your email, talk to your family, or play a game.
Finally, at the end of the day, it's time to sleep. Our last key phrase is go to bed. This means you get into your bed to go to sleep.
I try to go to bed around 10:30 p.m. I need a lot of sleep. What about you, Eric?
I am a night owl. A night owl is a person who likes to stay up late. I usually go to bed at midnight.
Midnight? That is late for me. Okay, let's have one final short dialogue. Listen closely.
What do you do after you finish work? I go home and make dinner. After dinner, I usually watch TV.
That sounds relaxing. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
All right, a very simple conversation. We used finish work, go home, make dinner, watch TV, and go to bed.
We covered the whole evening.
It shows how you can have a full conversation with these simple phrases. You can do this. Let's listen one last time.
What do you do after you finish work? I go home and make dinner. After dinner, I usually watch TV.
That sounds relaxing. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
All right, a very simple conversation. We used finish work, go home, make dinner, watch TV, and go to bed.
It shows how you can have a full conversation with these simple phrases. You can do this. Let's listen one last time. What do you do after you finish work? I go home and make dinner. After dinner, I usually watch TV.
That sounds relaxing. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
Fantastic. You have learned how to talk about your morning, your afternoon, and your evening. You can now describe your entire daily routine in English.
You should be very proud. This is a big step. Practice makes perfect, so try to use these phrases this week. Wow, what a great lesson today. We learned so many useful phrases for everyday life. You did an amazing job keeping up.
You really did. Let's do a very quick recap of the most important phrases from today. For the morning, wake up and get up. Brush my teeth and wash my face. Have breakfast.
For the afternoon, go to work or go to school. Start work, have lunch, and take a break.
And for the evening, finish work and go home. Have dinner, and finally, go to bed.
These phrases are your key to talking about your life in English. Try to make a few sentences about your own routine. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I have coffee for breakfast. I go to bed at 11 p.m. It can be that simple.
That's a great challenge for our listeners. And that brings us to our community question for this week.